Hello students, welcome to AJ Mathematics and Science. So today we will discuss the mechanical energy and its different forms. So what do you mean by mechanical energy? The sum of kinetic energy, I just denote by K, and potential energy is called mechanical energy. So as you people know already, the kinetic energy is energy by virtue of the motion of body, and the potential energy is due to the change in state, position and shape of the body. So first of all we will discuss the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy formula is half mv square, because the kinetic energy of the body due to the motion of the body, इसलिए यहाँ पे क्या आया v is speed. So now we will do Now we will prove the formula half mv square. So how we can prove this formula? For example, if you are having a body of mass m moving with velocity v, it is brought to rest by apply a force. यानी कि वो मोशन में है, आपने उसको क्या करना है, रेस्ट पे लेके आना है by apply a force F. When you apply a force F, the body comes at rest. The body motion get stop and the retardation produced in the body A. I just repeat, if you are having a body of mass m, velocity v, and if you want to stop that body, you just apply force, constant force F, then retardation produced in the body A, and the body travel distance s after applying your force, यानी कि s distance लगाने के बाद body get stop. So how to prove the kinetic energy? So one thing you have to understand here, for example, the kinetic energy, the body moving with kinetic energy A, it means जितनी एनर्जी के साथ बॉडी मूव कर रही है, that much work we have to do, means our work should be equal to the kinetic energy. This is the most important thing which you have to keep in your mind. So it means work is equal to force into displacement. So already we discussed in the 9th standard also Newton's second law, F equal to ma. The value of F we can put ma, but we don't know about S. So how we can find the S? We just use this formula, v square minus u square equal to 2as. As we know, the body get stop, so final velocity of the body is 0. Initial velocity u या v मान लो आप, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी v, मैं आपको यहाँ पे मैंने बताया द बॉडी ऑफ मास m एंड मूविंग विद वेलोसिटी v. सो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी की वैल्यू फिल कर दी मैंने v, फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 फिल कर दी, एंड 2a की जगह मैंने फिल कर दिया -a. वाई? बिकॉज बॉडी क्या हो रही है, रिटार्ड हो रही है. सो रिटार्डेशन इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. सो हेयर वी गेट v स्क्वायर equal to minus 2as, so minus minus cancel, so the value of s we get v square upon 2a. So here kinetic energy equal to work done equal to F. What is the value of F? ma. And what is the value of s? v square upon 2a. So a cancel, so like this we get the formula for kinetic energy, that is half mv square. So students, now we will discuss side by side the different form of kinetic energy. There are three types of kinetic energy because three type of motions are there. One is translational motion, rotational motion and vibrational motion. Just three types of kinetic energies are there. So when the body moves in a straight line, that type of energy is called, at that time the body having energy, that energy is called translational kinetic energy. For example, a car moving in a straight path, free falling body, a molecule of the monoatomic gas have the translational kinetic energy. Mono means ek, translation energy. All bodies which are moving in a straight line, which type of energy they are having? Translational kinetic energy. Now next is rotational kinetic energy. When the body in the rotational motion, which type of energy body having? Rotational kinetic energy. For example, a spinning top, rotating wheel have the rotating kinetic energy. Even earth rotating on its own axis and huge amount of rotational kinetic energy, with a huge amount of rotational kinetic energy. So next is vibrational kinetic energy. Vibrational motion means when the body moves about the mean position, to and fro motion, that is called vibration motion, just like pendulum. So for vibrational motion, which type of energy body having? Vibrational kinetic energy. Example, wire clamped at both the end when plugged in the मिडल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गिटार की जो तार होती है, जब सेंटर पे आप उसको प्लग करते हो, विच इज़ फिक्स्ड एट बोथ द एंड, सो द वायर स्टार्ट वाइब्रेटिंग. सो विच टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी इज हैविंग? वाइब्रेशनल kinetic energy. Now students, we will find the relation between kinetic energy and momentum. You people know that momentum equal to mass into velocity, and kinetic energy half mv square. Already we have derived this. So here, how we can describe the relation between kinetic energy and momentum? So for the kinetic energy, हाफ ऊपर m स्क्वायर बना देंगे और नीचे m के साथ डिवाइड कर देंगे. So it means mv whole square we can write. At the bottom we can write 2m. So what is the value of mv? P. So it become p square equal to 2m. So this is the relation between kinetic energy and the momentum. The kinetic energy equal to p square upon 2m. So यानी कि kinetic energy क्या होगी? Kinetic energy is inversely proportional to mass. It means the body which have more mass having less kinetic energy, and the body which have less mass having more kinetic energy. And so students, जिस बॉडी का मास ज़्यादा है उसकी kinetic energy क्या होगी? कम होगी. जिसका मास कम है उसकी kinetic energy ज़्यादा होगी. So now we will discuss the work energy theorem. Work energy theorem. Work energy theorem. So what is work energy theorem? First of all, we will discuss the definition of work energy theorem. Work energy theorem क्या कहती है? Work energy theorem कहती है, if we perform any work on the body, to do work we have to apply the force. If we perform any work on the body, the body kinetic energy get change. यानी कि अगर हम किसी बॉडी के ऊपर कोई भी काम करते हैं, फोर्स लगाते हैं, ठीक है, तो बॉडी की क्या चेंज होती है? kinetic energy. सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स आर देयर. अगर कोई बंदा साइकिल पे जा रहा है, ठीक है, आप उसके ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा फोर्स लगा दो, मीन्स यू आर डूइंग सम वर्क, तो उसकी स्पीड क्या हो जाएगी? चेंज हो जाएगी. दिस इज कॉल्ड वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. यानी कि वर्क इक्वल टू चेंज इन kinetic energy. चेंज in kinetic energy. So this theorem definition is important also, and moreover proof also important. So now we will prove this theorem. The proof of this theorem is similar to the proof of kinetic energy formula. For example, if we are having body of mass m, initial velocity of body u, and then v, why the velocity of the body get changed from u to v? Because हमने क्या किया? फोर्स लगाई. and the displacement produced in the body s, and the acceleration produced in the body a. यहाँ पे acceleration produce होगा क्योंकि हम रोकने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे. So same way the work done which we have done equal to force into displacement. So what is the value of force? That we already know according to second law, F equal to ma. So now how we can find the value of S? Again same formula we will use, V square minus U square 2as. ये already correct है because initial velocity already we have taken u, final v ले लिया हमने, acceleration a ले लिया. Now we just find the value of s. So value of s is v square minus u square upon 2s. So the value of s we get v square minus u square upon 2s. The value of f we get ma. So now we will fill here. So the value of f is ma and value of s is v square minus u square upon 2s. Sorry, 2a. s नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, 2a. So here a cancel. So we get m v square upon u square upon 2, that is half m v square minus half m u square. So hence we proved that work done equal to change in kinetic energy. You can say this is the final kinetic energy, this is the initial kinetic energy. So like this you can prove the work energy theorem, which is important for the board exam also. So students, like this we have discussed the kinetic energy, all the forms of kinetic energy and proof of kinetic energy, relation between kinetic energy and momentum, and the work energy theorem. So students, this we have finished all about the kinetic energy. In the next video we will discuss the potential energy and then the law of conservation for the mechanical energy. So try to derive this relation and try to solve few numerical based upon the kinetic energy, and some of the examples and numerical I will send on the group. If you have any problem and any doubt, just send your problem in the group and in the comment section. Thank you very much.